Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 321. Don't use site visibility instead of authentication. During one of our recent Portals community calls, guest speaker Nikita Polyakov mentioned he continues to see confusion between site visibility and authentication. So I thought it would be worth revisiting some of what was discussed in tip number 193. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The purpose of setting site visibility to private is to require authentication before reaching any part of the site, including parts that are typically available anonymously, like login pages. This is generally used for pre-production environments or production environments that aren't launched yet, in order to keep any work in progress away from the public. When a site is private, a user must log in with an Entra ID account to access any part of the site. Unlike regular Power Pages authentication, which supports many different authentication types, Entra ID is the only option to get past authentication for private sites. After getting past the private site authentication, the user is still considered to be anonymous. If the user wants to be considered a logged-in contact on the site, they will then need to log in to the Power Pages site using whatever authentication methods have been configured. Production websites that are live should not rely on private mode to hide the site from the public. Sites in private mode display a banner visible to everyone who gets past the site visibility authentication. This banner is not generally something you want shown on a production website. Instead, if you want to use Entra ID as your authentication mechanism, use the Entra ID identity provider that comes out of the box. This will enable you to use web roles, table permissions, and web page access control rules to properly secure your site. So, if you have a site that is for internal users only, and everyone is going to use Entra ID for authentication, your site should still be set to public when it is launched. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 321 on don't use site visibility instead of authentication useful.